Welcome to the Carlisle, located in our Hickory Valley community of Independence. Let's step inside and take a look. Welcome to the Carlisle. This beautiful home offers 4 bedrooms with a loft, 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances, kitchen island with granite countertops, and so much more, all included. How about these home sites? Let's talk about building your personal one today.